Hello everyone. I hope everyone is safe with your family and doing well in this pandemic situation. I am Srabon Bhowmik and today I am here to deliver my final year project presentation with my partner Moshiur Rahman. Before starting, I would like to thank our project supervisor Nishat Tasnim Ahmed ma'am for being supportive to us. I would like to thank our department head Dr. ASM Iftakaruddin sir and also Ashikul Islam Shakil sir for setting up an online platform to deliver our final year project presentation. I wish good health to all our respected faculty members. Our project title is photo.me. It is a photo sharing MERN web application made with MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. Let us look into the table of the contents. In the table of contents, we have introduction, concept behind this project, modern technologies, UI section, the sign up page, sign in and home section, user profile, creating post and deleting post, follow and unfollow, like, comment, search and explore, sign out, database and cloud storage, few front-end and back-end logic, future goals and conclusion. Photography has become a trend globally. In concern of this creative field, Photo.me is a MERN web application created to support photo enthusiastic people. More importantly, it would help the underground photographers to explore themselves as well as creating a quality portfolio for any kind of future work assistance. We have prioritized two concepts to make successful our application. First of all, we wanted to create a community where people can share their works and explore others. And in the next, we tried to make the data of the users to cloud dependent so that with an internet connection, an user is very easily get to go. We set up our mind to work with some new technologies and frameworks. Therefore, we have used Node.js to develop custom API and backend logic, React.js, with materialized CSS to provide a light, fastest user experience. For database, we have used Mongo Atlas, and for checking backend requests to Mongo server, we have used Postman. And all the data of the application is storing in a cloud-based system called Cloudinary. Let us have a look in the UI design. For creating logo and animated vectors, we have used Adobe Photoshop CC 2019 to enrich the UI design. To get into this application, first we need to have an account, and therefore user needs to sign up. User needs to provide their credentials like name, email, password, profile picture. Though the profile photo uploading is not mandatory, user can also update their profile pictures from their profile section too. To sign in, user needed to provide the email and password that he or she has used to sign up. If the credentials are correct, login button will take them to the explore page and a toast message will pop up that logged in successfully. If the credentials are wrong, then user won't be able to log in. After the sign in, user can access all the pages holding by the navbar. In home, user can explore other users and check their updates. User can find their recent updates in the explore page too. Also, user can do like and comments to others' posts to appreciate their works. In user profile section, one can visit own profile and also visit other users' profile too. The profile will show details about total updated posts by a user, also the details about followers that the user have in his account, and also the details about how many people he is following. If a user wants to create a post, then that user needs to provide some credentials like category of the photo, a caption for the photo, then he needs to select the photo from his local storage. Here the user can only able to upload image type file. By clicking on to submit post button, the post would be published and would be shown to explore page and as well as his profile also. To explain like and comment functionality, let's think we have two users naming Srabon and Shafin. If Srabon likes any posts created by Shafin, then the total number of likes quantity would increase by one value, and this will store in the like area of that specific posts of Shafin. Also, if Srabon unlike, then by pull method of JavaScript that like would be erased. Similar situation would happen for comment operation too. If Srabon does any comment in that Shafin's post, then that comment will show below the post of Shafin. In the feed page, a user can filter his choice. Feed will show a user only those posts created by the users that he is following. If we unfollow someone, then that user's post will no longer be showed in the feed page. After login, one user can follow another user. Let's think if user 1 follows user 2, then the following number of user 1 will get 1 increment and follow a number of user 2 will get 1 increment also. If the unfollow scenario happens, then both followers and following list of user 1 and 2 will have 1 decrement by each. By clicking the email button, one user can email another user. When a user clicks to the email button, then the email app from Microsoft will pop up and show the further directions. From search box, user can search other user by their email, and if they clicks on that email, it would redirect them to that email holder's profile. Logout is the termination of user's active session. If any user clicks in the logout, then that user would redirect to the sign-in page and won't be able to use the logged in features. Now I'd like to welcome my project partner Moshiur Rahman to explain the rest of the part of our presentation. Thanks for your patience. Thank you.
Thank you, Srabon, for introducing me. Hello everyone, hope you all are enjoying our presentation so far. So far, my teammates have discussed all about modern technologies, user interface, features and functionalities of our project. Now I can discuss about some critical section. First, I have the database section. We have used MongoDB as our database. MongoDB is one of the fastest database with high secure data protection. That's why we select MongoDB for our project. We're going to store two types of data in our database, such as user information and user post. In user information, we're going to store user ID, email, password, etc. And user post will contain post title, body, etc. Next, move to the cloud storage. We are using Cloudinary as our primary cloud storage. We use cloud storage because to overcome the hosting server or local server problem. In our cloud storage, we're going to store user profile picture, vector, icon, etc. Next, move to the coding section. First, we have the front-end code. In the front-end part, we use React.js. Already, my teammate have a little brief about the React.js on the technology section. We use React technology to create a better user-friendly reactive platform for user. After starting the React server from the client folder by using command line or using PowerShell, all the screen page like home.js or profile.js would be called by their own method from app.js file. And later, through the route in the app.js, all the screen will be visible to the browser on the user side or the browser side. Next, move to the backend logic. For the backend, we have used Node.js, one of the best backend framework of JavaScript. In the backend, in the server folder, we have written some customized API for sign in, sign out, as well as the authentication. We have written schema to connect the MongoDB database with our project. We have also written some get or post method to provide follow, unfollow, like, comment, etc. features. By the route and the middleware authentication and some help of JSON data, we have created a bridge between front-end and back-end. That's all in our coding section. Very next, we're going to move to our future concepts and goals. In the future, we are looking forward with our application. That's why we have planned some of future visions, such as one-tap login and with Gmail, contact sync option, online photo sale option, photo contest, etc. In our modern technology-based world, social media has played a great impact in our human psychology and creating a vital role in our life. We believe our application can enhance one's ability to photography and bring his or her photography passion in a new high. That's all I have in my presentation. Enormous thanks to Srabon Bhowmik for playing his responsible role to implement entire project successfully. Before I end, I'd like to thank Honorable Project Supervisor Nishat Taslim Ahmed Mim ma'am for being supportive to us. I'd like to thank our Honorable Department Head of CSC, Metropolitan University, Dr. A.S.M. Iftekaruddin sir and Muhammad Ashikul Islam Shakil sir, Lecturer Department of CSC, for creating an better online platform and giving us such an opportunity to provide some online education experience. Thank you everyone for being with us for the long time. Stay safe, stay at home.